Welcome. If you want to change default application in your ALCATEL 3X 2019, for the first you have to enter the settings. Right now click on the apps, tap on the default apps, and for example we can change the browser, but as you can see we have only one browser on our smartphone. So let's go back for the Play Store, tap on the search and type here Opera Mini. Let's download this browser, and right now we have just to wait a little bit. Okay, let's go back for our default settings, go back and enter browser again, and as you can see here we can change between the Google Chrome and the Opera Mini. I will go for the Opera. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.